So you want to bring more money into your life through manifestation, but you're not quite sure how. A prosperity bowl or feng shui bowl is a perfect place to start. Here is a step-by-step guide to create your own prosperity bowl. Rice or glutinous rice.
12 eggs.
Orange or apple.
4 amp house. 12 bills and coins.
12 laurel leaves. 12 chocolate coins. 12 red ribbons. Glass bowl.
Let's start.
Rice symbolizes prosperity, abundance, fertility, and life. Eggs symbolize better financial opportunities. Eggs are a symbol of new life, fertility, and the circle of life. In some Asian cultures, eggs are also seen as a symbol of luck and wealth. Laurel leaves symbolize good luck and the successful start of a livelihood.
You can also add cinnamon sticks for quick success and healing.
Basil to attract money and success. Gold chocolate coins represent a sweet and loving family relationship. Coins symbolize wealth, financial success, and the hope of attracting more prosperity into one's life. Shiny coins are often used to reflect on a bright and prosperous future. Bills symbolize financial abundance. A red ribbon symbolizes good fortune and prosperity. Roll the bills and tie it with red ribbon. If you have any, add dollar bills and notes of other paper currency. Multiple types of currency represent multiple streams of income. Get a stick and tape it to the amp house. And lastly, the center of our prosperity bowl. Oranges symbolize good luck and happiness. It can be also apple. The red color of apples is said to bring prosperity and abundance. Creating and maintaining a prosperity bowl is such a fun way. Let me also see your prosperity bowl. Comment it on the section below. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. Thank you for watching. Happy New Year to all.